Hey there, I'm Miss Guy, and I am your ACA 122 OL41 instructor for the semester. I am excited to get started on Monday, and I wanted to send you an email and a video and just kind of go over some things with you so you know what to expect come Monday. I have attached this video to the email, so I'm hoping that you've had a chance to read the welcome email prior to watching this video. If you didn't, that's okay. Go back and read the email once you finish watching the video. If you're watching this video from Moodle, make sure you get into your Nash Community College student email account and read that email as well. So I told you a little bit about the course and what to expect, but I also shared with you my introduction. So it's a little bit of a long one, but it is an explanation of who I am and where I came from and how I got to where I am today. And I hope that it is inspirational to you, even though you may still have a lot of decisions ahead of you in life. I hope that my story can inspire you to keep going even when times get tough. So for starters, I want to start off with explaining to you what this section is. So this is section OL.41. Now this section is specifically designed for CCP students. I'm sure you've heard CCP before, but if you haven't, just understand that CCP to us means that you are also in high school somewhere. You may be in a private school or a public school. You may be homeschooled. Regardless of what type of school you're in, this section is definitely only for those students who are also in high school. So if you are not in high school and you are listening to this video, please email me immediately because there has been a problem. I want to explain to you the significance of a section number. Yes, we are taking ACA 122. That is the course name and the course number, but the section number is 41. And it is so important that you know that a section number is very important to your instructors. I'm currently teaching a little over 230 students in lots of different classes and sections. So it is hugely important if you were to email me that you include ACA 122 OL.41 in your subject line. That way, I can answer your question very quickly, and I know exactly what your deadlines are, what assignments are going on this week, and it just helps me be able to say, hey, sure, I can help you quickly. This is the answer, versus having to email you back and say, what class are you in? What section number, so I can answer your question. Keep that in mind for all classes that you're taking in college. Every instructor needs to know what section you are in order for them to help you best. I want to take a moment and have you pay attention to this claim that is in the center of your screen between the two red lines here. We require you to access your Nash Community College email account. It is important that you are using this email account for all your communication with your college instructors. And in ACA, the assignments that you're going to access and open can only be done if you are also logged into your Nash Community College student email account. So please make sure that you are able to log in and you know how to toggle between accounts. Oftentimes, high school students have to learn how to toggle between their high school email account and their college email account. If you have difficulty, just shoot me an email and you and I can video chat and I can help you with that. So I want to explain to you what ACA actually is. So the title of the course is College Transfer Success, but it is a little more than that. So our focus is to give you all the tips and tricks and skills that you need to be successful in college. We're going to talk about some generic things such as study skills, test-taking strategies. We're going to do some career exploration, some planning. We're going to focus a lot on time management because if you didn't know, time management is the key to college success. So all of those things that make you a successful college student, we're going to talk about at some point this semester. But we're also going to address some things that are Nash Community College specific. So certain resources and certain policies and certain programs that are specific to Nash Community College. And I will tell you that ACA is going to be beneficial to you in a way that it may not be beneficial to the person that is sitting next door to you. It really depends on you as a student and what you need the most help with. That kind of outlines what you gain from this course. So if you're an awesome test taker, you may not benefit very much from the test taking week. But if you need help learning how to address new strategies for test taking, you may benefit greatly from that week. So every student reports something a little bit different, but I will tell you this, you will get out of this class what you put into it. So if you put effort into this class, you will learn something, you will take something away from this course. If you don't put any effort in, this course is not going to mean very much to you. So I'll get started with the few items here at the top of your course that are very important. You see here this video link that you're watching. The next step is to click on the syllabus. There's two things that I really want you to watch out for when you look at the syllabus. The attendance policy for Nash Community College and my late work policy. Nash Community College has an attendance policy where if you miss 2 consecutive weeks of class, that you're withdrawn. So you've got to make sure that you're submitting work each week by the deadline so that doesn't happen to you. The late work policy for my class is also listed there. Keep in mind that some items are 10-point items, some items are 100-point items, and some things can be submitted via the late work policy at a penalty, but some items cannot. So review that late work policy and know what you should do in a situation like that. The next document is the due date document. If I were you, I would print this one out. This will tell you a due date for each session as we go through the semester. And because your class is what we call a late starting class, so you're starting 2 weeks into the semester, there are 2 weeks close to the end of the semester where we double up and do 2 sessions. So you'll want to pay attention to that. The final document that you're welcome to look at is the online grading breakdown. So this will show you the assignments that are due each session, where they fall as far as the category of 10-point or 100-point, and how much those categories affect your final grade. You'll want to look at that because if you get pushed for time one week, you're going to want to make sure that the assignments that you choose to focus on are those that have the most points attached to them. Moving on from there, the first thing you're going to do on Monday when your course is available to you is to complete the enrollment verification activity. This is how you get access to the rest of the course. So you'll click here on this assignment, enrollment verification activity. There are 4 questions that you will answer. They are not hard. And then you'll be prompted to do something called an online orientation. You'll go through that. It's a series of videos and things that you'll review and answers that you'll click. It is very simple. It's just kind of a tutorial about taking online classes at Nash. When you get done with that online orientation, it will download for you a certificate. You'll take that file and you'll upload it here in this link that says upload your Nash Community College orientation certificate here. Once you upload that certificate, the remainder of the course will open up for you. Keep in mind, you can click these gray areas and they will collapse and then you won't have to scroll as much. There are 2 sections here, ACA resources and materials and college transfer information, and they are strictly for your information. So just spend some time at some point clicking through there and reading that. Once you get all of that done, session 1 is going to open up for you. Now, session 1 is going to come out, session 1 directions is going to come out to you on Monday morning in a separate email from me. So don't worry about session 1 yet. Just focus on getting started on Monday. That means logging into Moodle. That means getting to the course, reviewing these 3 documents, and completing the enrollment verification activity and submitting that online certificate. That is all you have to do to get ready for Monday. I'll send an email that has a new video and new directions for session 1 on Monday, and then every following Friday thereafter, I will send out a new email and I will publish a new video for the next session. So every Friday, a new session opens up. I want you to know that this is likely going to be the easiest A that you will ever earn in college. There are 2 assignments due each week. They are very simple in regards of there's no studying you have to do for ACA, there's no memorizing, there's no large exams, there's no test. This really is a course that is designed to help you grow as a student. And like I said before, if you put in the effort, you're going to benefit here. I want you to also know that my job is to help you. If you have a question, please email me. You'll see my email address right here under the picture on the right-hand side of your Moodle screen. I'm always an email away. And if you're struggling with something, we can always video chat if I can't answer it via an email, and I can help you through anything. What I don't want is you to get discouraged or frustrated because you're not sure about something and feel like you can't ask me things. My goal is to make sure that you're successful this semester, that you have everything you need in order to be successful, and that you are well aware of deadlines and expectations. So please, if you have a question, reach out to me. I'm here to help you.